Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add page in Google Docs. So here I'm using Google Docs in my mobile, so it's a little bit different when you use it on the computer on laptop. So here at the Google Docs, so for example, I want to open these files right here, and if you want to add a page, you need to click on the pencil icon here to enable the editing, to go to the editing page. And then what you need to do next is click on the plus icon at the top, and here you can see there is page break option. So you need to put the cursor at the end of the, for example, at the end of the page first. Oops. Okay, just wait. Okay, so at this one, for example, and then click on the plus icon and then click on page break, and then here at the Google Docs mobile, it become a new page like this. So you can just type in and then it will become a new page after this one. Okay, so that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.